Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Solana once again. Now, do you remember that we talked about this, uh, trend line that actually got lost again, which is actually kind of bad. So what we're doing is on the weekly time frame I'm gonna show you is potentially you're just continuing with this downtrend, and all you did was make a nearly a bottom here, which is not really good, a bearish engulfing potentially. And now this week it means that it's interested to actually go on, potentially could go and take out that stop loss that I've been talking about previously as well, and that's going to be 80 or 83. So I'm going to put a blue line right there. So this is a place you can find support, or if you just go below it to the 75 and back test it and fail, then you're looking to push even way more to the downside. But one thing is very clear about Solana at this point is that it's in a downtrend. It is in a downtrend. You went down like this and you're maintaining that downtrend. You haven't broken out of a downtrend, and who knows, you could just come down here, consolidate to the sideways, then move to the downside, unless you don't find the big support, which I said yesterday that this is the only big support that I see. That's the swing high previously of $40 or potentially $49. And if you start to lose the swing high, then the swing low is going to be your support, which is going to be $22, guys. So be very careful about the market right now. The market is actually kind of bearish on the weekly time frame, and it is going to remain bearish unless we don't find bullish patterns, of course. And the only way to be bullish once again is just when you cross a resistance, back test it, continue to the upside. Simple. And that's it for today's Solana update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.